Hello everyone, I am back with another makeup video, of course, and this is sort of peachy, glowy makeup. जे आपण you know you can do this makeup look for your everyday look. जो minimal पण आहे and it is really glowing and soft. Actually, it is not heavy makeup and it is really go to makeup look. आणि व्हिडिओ सुरू व्हायच्या आधी मला सर्वांना थँक्यू म्हणायचं आहे बिकॉज द काइंड ऑफ लव दॅट आय हॅव रिसीव्ड फॉर माय फर्स्ट व्हिडिओ वॉज इमेन्स. थँक्यू सो मच. सो कीप सपोर्टिंग अँड आय होप तुम्हाला हा मेकअप लुकसुद्धा आवडेल. बोलूया मेकअप कसा करायचा त्याकडे. चलो.
Hello. So let's start with moisturizer. Here I'm using Pond's moisturizer, which is very light and it does not leave your skin very greasy, You can get this anywhere in your medical shop or any drugstore. Okay, now I'm using the primer from Colorbar. Actually, this primer is really affordable because I have been using this primer since more than 1 year, I would say. It comes around for 600 to 700. Yeah, so this is one affordable primer and good as well. Now I'm using Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade Natural Beige 220. Because I am doing sort of natural glowing makeup, so I'm using this foundation because it really blends well into my skin, and obviously you need a good blender. Do not forget to wet your blender a little because that would give you the flawless blending while you blend your foundation into your skin. Or if you use it dry, then your foundation will get absorbed by your blender and that would end up taking a lot of product. Now let's conceal those dark under eyes. Here I'm taking Coloressence HD foundation stick. Actually, this has worked really well for me as a concealer because it really conceals every blemish or acne scar that I have, even the under eyes. So now blend. So now I am taking this Maybelline Fit Me Compact Powder to set the foundation and concealer. This is really very important step because this really keeps your makeup in place and gives you that matte finish. So now let's move to eye makeup. I'm going to use peach shade for eyes because we are creating the peachy glowy look. Yes. So there is this thing that I have observed, which is when you use peach or lighter colors like pink, it really opens up our eyes and it gives us the soft makeup look, which turns out to be very beautiful. Okay, Actually, I wanted to mention about this eyeshadow palette which I have been using since long time. This was gifted to me by one of my friends, and it is really beautiful because it has a variety of colors like shimmer colors and nude colors, so you can use it for different occasions. So now I'm adding a little bit of silver shimmer to give that shiny glowy eyeshadow look. Look how beautiful it is looking. The silver shimmer, that shiny thing, is really giving my eyes the gradient look. What do you guys think? Now I'm using Coloressence Gel Eye Liner. So while you use gel eyeliner, you really need to make sure that you are using a sharp angle brush, because while you line your eyes, you really need to get that sharp line, and that is only possible when you use a sharp angle brush, a thin brush. Okay, now I am just smudging at the end of the corners to give that winged effect. Not a dramatic wing, but just a soft wing. Now let's move to eyebrows. Here I'm using Wet n Wild eyebrow kit. I'll be using the dark brown shade in the inner corners of my eyebrows, and I'm just going to fill them in. So this eyebrow kit is also the affordable makeup product, because I have been using this same eyebrow kit for like around 1 year, and there is still a lot more. Okay, now let's move to blush. I'm going to use the same peach color that I've used on my eyes, because I really want this look to look a monotonal, because why not? This is going to give me a fresh peach, soft and glowy look. That's looking good, right? Okay, now let's move to lipstick. I'm using Nykaa's one of the new lipsticks. Actually, I really don't know the name of the shade, but I'm definitely going to leave the details in the description below. Okay, now I'm using the highlighter to add a little bit of glow to the makeup. I have also been using this highlighter since long, because अरे यार इतने सारे मेकअप प्रोडक्ट्स हैं, नए क्यों खरीदे, है कि नहीं? We really want to have the affordable makeup product which would last us for longer time, and which would also give us that good quality makeup. So please let me know how did you like this makeup look in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.